So when I started shooting photography, it was on my parents' D40X that they had bought as a kit from Costco. And like many consumers, they did not buy new lenses for their camera. I was particularly interested in making videos back then and was humbled to find out that the D40X could not shoot any video. So around my senior year of high school in 2010, I bought myself a Nikon D7000. This is the Nikon D7000, and one of the primary reasons I bought this camera was what Nikon did to the market when they released it. Similar to the Sony of today, Nikon disrupted the market when they announced a mid-range camera with a lot of pro-line features. One of the main reasons I got it was the raving review that Kai Wong gave in his DRTV review back in 2010. Fast forward today, is the Nikon D7000 still worth it? Well, it features a magnesium alloy body that is weather sealed, and that's one of the strengths of this camera. Dual SD card slots, and what was really interesting to me is the live view that you can flick on and see exactly what the camera is seeing. Some more strengths of the Nikon D7000 is that the Nikon F mount features a lot of glass that you can pick up for fairly cheap on the secondhand market. You can find this glass on eBay, Craigslist, basically anywhere. And compared to Sony E-mount glass, it's very, very affordable. Now, let's talk about the real cons. When you compare it to smaller APS-C cameras today, such as the A6000, the A6000 is a lot lighter and has a better sensor that does better in low light. When we talk about video and photography, the autofocus is one of the strengths of the A6000 also. So the real question comes down to pricing. If you can pick up a D7000 for fairly cheap, I think it's still a great platform to learn photography and enter the video realm. A lot of my early videos on YouTube were shot on the D7000, and its sensor is still a decent performer today. However, if you cannot find it for a steal or in a package of some sort, then honestly, in 2019, I would suggest you try to find something like the A6000. So, yeah, that's just my honest opinion. So if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe, comment below, tell me what I should, make a video of next. So, and thank you for watching.
Check it out, y'all. The percussion's in the house, y'all. Hocus pocus in the house, y'all. Yeah.